Oh, it's almost the whole thing.
Oh my gosh, baby.
It is. It's the whole piece. No way. All right, here we go. Construction zone mudlarking, part 2. How you doing, Ivanka?
I'm doing good. I'm ready to find tesoritos.
Wish us luck today. Stay tuned. Here we go already.
Oh yes.
Got to dance right off the bat. So this is what we're dealing with out here. It's just sludgy mud. Construction still happening. What are you on? We're in some sinking mud. Oh, hold on a second. See if we can spot that. Look at that beauty. Marble.
Oh my goodness, babe. This is beautiful. Look, it's green.
Green and black, yeah.
Look.
Okay.
Look how beautiful is that.
That's a good find.
Oh my gosh,
Fine. Let me take a look.
Hold on.
She wants to clean it.
Yes.
Hope everybody's doing well out there.
Look at this.
Sweet. Ooh, yeah, that's a nice one. I could feel it's like a little bit warped, but for its age, that's a beauty. Good first find. Nice job. All right, so Ivanka's calling me over again. We're gonna be moving a little bit slower today, guys, because as you can see, this mud is no joke. I don't want to go up to my knees again, but let's see what Ivanka has over here.
It looks very nice.
Okay. I believe you after those other finds.
See it?
Where, right there?
Uh-huh. I think it's
That's plastic.
No.
No?
No.
No?
No,
Oh, you know
baby.
what? That's a kid's top. That's a toy.
No, it's glass.
I know, that's a kid's toy top.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You spin that.
I know. I've seen the plastic one.
I thought that looked like plastic. It won't spin on the mud, but that's a kid's toy. Great find.
And it's complete.
That's probably another Japan product. I bet you when I clean this, we'll see Japan on it.
Oh, that would be nice.
All right. Yeah, that will spin. That will definitely still spin. Good find. All right, she's calling me over. What do you got?
Look at these, so pretty.
Oh, hold on.
Look at that.
That's a beautiful Art Deco.
This is beautiful.
Man,
Look at this, babe.
Take it out of the sun.
Look at this.
Oh, that's definitely going in your collection.
Oh, for sure.
Look at that, guys. That's a beautiful Art Deco perfume.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God, it's crazy today. All right, beauty. All right, so my shoe's in bad shape. This mud is thick, but that's a beauty.
I don't know if this is a soda.
That is a beauty. Ivanka's calling soda, possibly. Really?
I'm not sure, but
Oh man.
that's kind of the shape for it.
All right, let's see what she's got, guys.
Maybe?
That's possible. Either that or a vinegar.
Oh, it's like a
Okay,
mustard.
yeah, that's just an Art Deco jar. Okay. All right, spot the find. I'm on a cork top. Literally a cork top. How does that survive for so long? Oh,
Oh, what's that?
who's that fine gentleman? It's a cork top, but it's got Colonel Sanders on there. He's got a nice little beard right there, Mr. Handsome right there. I wonder what product that is. Ivanka's calling me over. Wow, this is pretty surprising. Piece of newspaper survived. Long Beach Press Telegram, July 1938. Wow. I didn't think the newspaper could survive that long in this kind of environment. Anybody Wheel of Fortune champion? We got an N-C-O-R-E. I think we need a vowel. Wow. Here's the other side. Look out, it's something's happening. We don't know. Man, that's crazy. Look at that date. Day before Independence Day, 1938. Wow. All right, I'm on my way. I'm sinking in mud, but
Just careful. Just step when I step. I got it a little out. Just just to make sure that it was complete. And
She
it's
pulled it
complete.
out?
Yep.
Okay, hold on. Let me...
Look in here.
Wait.
Look at
Wait. Ooh.
Look at this. It's the top of
Okay.
whatever, but it's
Like a
complete.
sugar jar.
Yes, but it's complete.
Okay.
We have never found this.
All right.
It's nice.
I will definitely clean that up. Cool. All right. That should be nice. We'll see what kind of designs that has. We'll give it a good clean. Sweet. Okay. So still got some paint left on it, like a sugar jar lid, fully intact. That's a nice little piece. Okay. I'm on a possible bottle here. It is a screw cap, but could be embossed. Ooh. That was an interesting sound. Slick on that side. Definitely a liquor. It's got some embossing on this side, but just designs. But I'll wash it off and we'll see what we got. Might be a keeper. Yeah, it's a federal law bottle, 1930s. I do like the shape, but running out of space for bigger stuff like this, probably leave it. So there's our construction zone, completely flattened out. Wetlands, habitat, beach gone. But the good news is we got a bottle popping right out of the side here, so let's hope it's embossed and intact. I'm gonna do a careful pull. Okay, I know what this is. This is super common. This is an Alka-Seltzer. It's a 1930s Alka-Seltzer. Yep. You just stack your Alka-Seltzer tablets one on top of each other all the way to the top. Gonna leave that one. All right, what do you think, Ivanka? What do you?
Oh, baby, I'm hoping.
Ivanka's got her fingers crossed on this one. We have never found a what?
A Coke.
We've never found an intact Coke bottle, which is unbelievable. So
Oh, I don't know, baby.
every time this has happened, hold on a second. Every time this has happened, we pulled it and it's been busted. Definitely a Coke.
Oh, babe.
Oh, finally. Finally. Yes.
Oh my!
Finally. Okay. Oh.
It's a little chip.
Oh man.
It's a little
it's
chip.
chipped.
Yes.
It couldn't be complete. Okay, I'm gonna clean it up anyways.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, it's chipped. Oh my gosh, such a heartbreaker. It's the 6-ounce Coke, Los Angeles, California. Would have been a beauty, but it's all chipped up on the lip. So, there's got to be another one out here. That's the 6-ounce. Oh, what a heartbreaker. What a heartbreaker. Let's look at it in the sun really quick. Oh man. All right. In this wood pile again. Here we go. Ivanka's gonna love the shape on that. That is a bizarre, or at least interesting shape. Never found a bottle this shape before. And it's got a, ooh, cool. It's got the Bakelite cap. What does that say? You guys could probably read it better than me, but that's definitely a keeper. What kind of product was in there? Anybody know? What does that say? Teal? We'll take a closer look. Cool. Yep. Teal. T-E-E-L. Wonder what kind of product that was. Anybody want to research that? That'd be super cool. But yeah, that's a cool shape. I'm digging that. Sweet. What? What? Another one?
Babe.
Right off the bat.
Careful.
This mud is crazy.
This is huge.
Oh wow. Hold on a second. Oh man.
Look at that.
That looks like a gobstopper.
Oh my gosh.
That's the everlasting gobstopper.
Oh
That's a
my
big
God.
marble. Okay. All white.
Yes, and then come in here. Look.
Ooh, that's a nice big marble.
Look and see if you can spot it from here. Follow my finger.
All right, she's got another find.
Ooh. Look at this.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait a second.
A weenie
Is that a
dog.
weenie? Hold on a second.
Hopefully.
Is that a weenie dog?
Oh,
Let me see. Let's get his face.
That's my Max.
Oh, we have a half dachshund.
Ah.
Oh, it's almost the whole thing.
Oh my gosh, baby.
It is. It's the whole piece.
Oh.
No way.
We're just missing an ear, but
Oh my gosh.
look at how beautiful.
That is amazing. Hold the marble. Can I see that?
This is
Oh
amazing.
my gosh, it's intact.
Yes, baby.
It's a full dachshund. I'm gonna give this guy a clean right away. Wow, Ivanka. Wow. Yep. Well, he deserves a good wash. He got his toy too. Beautiful.
Beautiful, baby. Beautiful.
All right, Mr. Doxy, Ivanka's all washed up, and he's a beauty. You're right. He's just missing some feet, and he's missing one ear, and he's from, I don't know if you could see that, Japan. All right, that's a good piece. Okay, I got a bottle right here. There's some embossing showing already, so we'll pull this. See what we got. I like to hear that sound. That means that it's usually full. I'm feeling some embossing. Okay. All right, yeah, this is embossed. I could feel embossing, but I have to give it a wash. But I think we might be on a good one right here. Let's give it a wash and we can make an identification. Sweet. Okay, yeah, it's a good one. Garrett and Company Incorporated, established 1835. Pioneer Wines. It's got a lot of embossing. I found one of these before, but it's the big size. This is the small size. I think this is a lot more rare. American Wine Growers. Sweet. Yeah, this is like a cheap wino wine, I think. But I've never seen it in the small version. Right on. I don't know if you guys can see all that embossing. That's a beautiful one. That's a good one. All right, got some more newspaper. 1930s. Not a good headline though. Gunman kills. Overwhelming. So guess that stuff's been going on for a while now. Pretty horrible. All right, Ivanka's calling me over to the mud pit.
I know, it is really bad, so careful.
I am sinking. Oh.
Ooh, hey.
Oh my gosh. We are completely sinking in here.
Yeah, come in here. Here's not
Okay.
that bad.
Yeah, that's a Listerine. That's a common Listerine. Yep.
Yeah.
But it's a cork top Listerine, so might keep that.
I'm here.
Okay.
I think that's a
Oh
ketchup.
my gosh.
There's a lot of both. But there's another one.
That bottle right there?
No.
Yeah, that's a ketchup, I think.
It's not a both. This one.
Okay. Oh,
Uh-huh.
all right.
Very embossed.
I don't think we have that one.
I think so.
We'll give it a wash, but it's a federal law bottle, but it does have some more embossing, so let's give it a wash. It's got the Listerine and the liquor here. Clean them up. All right, she's calling me over.
You're gonna love this. And I hope it's complete. It looks complete.
Yeah, I'm gonna love it.
Yes. Look at that.
Oh,
at
wait
that.
a second.
Exactly.
It's paneled.
Look at
Don't
this.
pull it
baby.
yet.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, go ahead and pull it.
It's complete. It's complete. Oh shit. Oh,
Okay.
Squeedo. Squeeb.
All right, so it is.
It's beautiful.
What does it say?
Squib.
Squibby? We got a squibby. What does that say?
Beautiful.
All right. So, yeah, that is nice. Let me wash it up. Let's do a wash up right now. It doesn't need that much of a wash up. Let's get an ID right away. squid.
Wait,
Or
it's too big.
Squibbo? What is that? I'm digging it though. That's a cool bottle. Nice amber all paneled. There you go. Good
I don't
find.
know about this one. It's just nice, but I don't know.
We'll take a look at it. It's just so much. Quick little recap on these bottle finds. This is called Squib, and it's a beauty. I don't know what product that was. Was that a liquor? Anybody want to research that? Squib. SQUIBB. Squib bottle. And then this is nice. H&A Gilby full half pint gin. So that's a keeper. I've never seen that bottle before. And another quick look at the what is that one called? The Garrett and Company Incorporated, American Wine Growers. That's a heavily embossed bottle. So some good bottle finds today. Hope you guys are enjoying. All right, so hope everyone's having a great summer out there. We certainly are, and we got a bottle popping. Looking little Art Deco designs here, so it might be something good. It is a twist top, so not great, but let's pull it. It's not coming out. It's been in there for 100 years almost. Here it comes. All right. Oh, it's damaged. It's a melt. Kind of like a quirky melt here. We'll wash it up and take a look. Cool. Yeah, it's a melt and it's cracked. So gonna leave this one right on. Okay, it's gonna be a bottle day, it looks like. Bottle and marble day.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna pull this guy right here. I'm hoping it's a embossed med. Possibly. No. Usually the embossing will be right here, but no, it's a label bottle. Well, looks like it says something, but yeah, it just says, what, 6 ounces? Yeah, that's a slick med. I'm gonna leave this. About to find aqua glass stopper. That looks pretty nice. All right, better than clear stopper. Sweet. We will take that if it doesn't roll away. Nice. Okay, gonna have a beautiful sunset today, and there's beautiful Ivanka.
Aw, thank you, baby.
You're welcome. And she's on another bottle.
Yep.
Oh, okay, that's probably like a Prohibition beer. Those are usually
Yeah.
never embossed, but
Yeah.
check it.
We have a bunch of them.
She wants me to check it. She wants me to do all the work, guys.
Yep.
Okay, yeah. That's just a non-embossed beer. Gonna leave it. That's looking like a nice button. Maybe some mother of pearl. Let's take a look. Ooh, yeah, it might be. All right, that's pretty good. Gonna give this guy a wash, and yeah, that's a nice button. I'm thinking that's mother of pearl there. Sweet. Getting a little late in the day. It's gonna be a nice sunset. Ivanka's calling me over. She's doing a little dance. Not too out of control. Wait a second. Ooh.
Oh, wait. Oh, it's in Oh. Oh, look how cute.
I like the shape at the bottom. And then it does have a lot of deco designs.
Yes. I
think
thought
that
it
will
was
clean
just
up
like
nice.
a little one.
You want that for your collection?
Yes, of course. Of course.
All right, that
my
means
dear.
I'm cleaning, guys.
I find you clean.
She finds I clean. That's what she just said.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'll clean it up. That's gonna clean up nicely, I think. Okay, she's calling me down the beach. Sunset is coming.
Yep. You need to hurry up.
Got a beach find. Oh.
Look
Come
how
on,
cute.
come on,
Look
milk?
how cute. Yes.
Yeah, milk. Okay.
Look how cute.
We found that big milk the other day, but okay.
Look at how cute.
All right. Sometimes those are embossed. We'll keep
I
that.
don't think it is. Look at the button.
I'm digging the milk.
Look at this button. How cute.
Oh, wow. All right, keep that too.
Yep.
All right, I'll wash up the milk and see what we got. It's doesn't look like it's embossed, but we're gonna wash it up.
Yep.
It's a nice one. Got to drink your milk. Look at those beads on there. It's got like raised glass beads on there. That's cool. Right on. Okay, I'm on a possible silver fork. At least silver plated. Let's see what kind of condition it's in. It's in one piece. Okay, these are pretty ornate sometimes, so I'll definitely wash this and we'll get a better look at it during the roundup. So please stick around. Okay, dealing with a lot of slushy mud today, but got some good finds. Here's another one. Small bottle just popping. There's that sound again. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Ivanka's gonna like this. It's like a small Art Deco. It's like a cork top perfume. Yeah, that's gonna clean up pretty nice, I think. I'll give it a wash. Okay, yeah, I think this is a keeper. Ivanka's gonna dig this one, I think. Nice. All right, getting late in the day, beautiful sunset. It's about that time, you know what time it is. Welcome to a roundup. So yeah, all this major construction, plus this low tide, it paid off again. This is like mudlarking a brand new location. Let's go through these finds quickly. Start with the bottles. Got the squib. Anybody want to research what kind of product that was? I'm not sure if that was a liquor. Squib bottle. Got the H.A. Gilbey's gin, full half pint, milk. I like the little beads on the milk there. Got the Garrett and Company Incorporated, American wine growers, heavily embossed. Art Deco liquor. Got the cosmetic, broken Coke. Still can't get a full Coke. That's just eluding us big time. Can't get the full Coke. One day, some Art Deco smalls here. Beautiful little cosmetic or perfume. Got the teal. Anybody want to research this product as well? It says teal. T-E-E-L. T-double-E-L. Anybody want to help me with the research on that one? Should be interesting. Got some good marbles. Move on to the other smalls here. Got some good marbles. Ivanka got 2 marbles right off the bat. Got the big white one and then the black and blue marble right there. That's a beauty. She was really excited about this piece. She's saying that is Porfirio Diaz, who was one of the first Mexican presidents. She says it looks just like him. I don't know if it is, but I like that guy. He's cool. I'm digging that guy. He's a handsome gentleman right there. What else we got here? We got plenty. A lot of stoppers today. And then the Doxy. He's so cute. He's got some he's got a little damage. He's missing an ear and some feet, but I love that guy. We have a Pekingese, which is half Doxy, half Pekingese, so that's close to our heart there. Got the silver fork. It is engraved. I'm gonna check it out with the magnifying glass. Could be solid silver. And then little button collection, toy top spinner, still in perfect shape. Gonna spin that when I get home. And the oddities newspaper. Look at that date. Long Beach Press Telegram, July 3rd, 1938. That's crazy. It's kind of crispy now, but I don't think I'm gonna take that. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm gonna take it home. It's almost like cardboard now. Like a cardboard material. That headline, not so nice. Gunman kills. Same kind of crap going on these days, but yeah, wow. Good lark today. I don't think I missed anything. Little natural find, Listerine, little sugar jar lid. So, hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please shoot us a like and a subscription. If you haven't subscribed already, we're almost to 2,000, so if you want to help out with that, it'd be awesome. Anyways, everyone have a great night. We'll see you next time.